Hello and welcome back to another episode on our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can change your payment method on Amazon Prime Video. Watch this video until the very end to know exactly how to do it. Now before moving on, if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you will be notified for any of our new uploads. Now let's get started. Firstly, open any web browser on your PC and there search for primevideo.com and make sure to get logged into your account. Now once you get logged into your account, tap on profile icon at the top right. Now from the menu, tap on the second option, account and settings, and there you will be able to see your payment method till now. Now to change this payment method, tap on set payment method button. Now scroll a bit down and in here fill the details of your card like your name on card and card number and then expiration date of that card. And once you're done with filling the details, tap on add your card button. Tap on save button to save the new payment method. Once you tap on save button, your payment method will be changed after this given date. And that's how easily and quickly you can change your payment method on Amazon Prime Video account. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. That's gonna be all for this video and I will see you in the next one.